It's been about a year, and I'm going back to IKEA to see what they have. It's the end of February, and I'm curious to see what kind of things they have before the big spring season starts.
Something I always do is check the as-is section, because you never know what you're going to find. We found couches and tables and all kinds of things. They always give a different price, so you know. Look at this shelf. This is great. And then these wood boxes are $20. And then the shelf is $85. These fake plants are $10, but I don't want that. And these pots are $5, but this is not what I need. Just looking, thought it was a good find. Another good tip is figuring out where the plant section is and maybe not going through the whole store if you don't need to. So if you go through the checkout section, you'll see the as-is usually near it. And then you can go in the back way, and that's how you access the plants. Please like and subscribe. I'll be posting a video a week, and I'd love to have you join me on my root awakening. That's new. They have these hanging plant baskets. And then these little ones, maybe they have before.
Good morning, IKEA coworkers. Could a Mandarin speaking coworker please call extension 126? A Mandarin speaking coworker, please call extension 126. Thank you.
Let's see what else. Those are new. Glass. And look, are they glass or plastic? That they had before, I thought. They are glass. There's two small ones. And new. I have some spraying utensils. And these scissors are $8. I might get these because mine aren't working too well. So they have a few different types of palms. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see what they got over here. There's these pots. Wait, that's the smaller one and the bigger. Orchids for $20. Philodendron Brazils. We got Pothos. Anthuriums, varieties, Succulents, African violets, tulips for $5 each, and Narcissus. Look at all the succulents. Wow. ZZ's. Here's how she looks now. I rinsed her roots and she's resting in some nutrient water. And it turned out that it's not just a Brazil. There is one vine of lemon lime philodendron. So that's really cool. See you next time.
Sun comes up and the leaves start shaking. Time to join Joe's rude awakening. Monster of fenestrations looking just right. Every plant glowing in the soft daylight. We're hitting nurseries near and far, chasing green dreams like a superstar. From tiny props to massive queens, we're growing joy in every shade of green. Joe's rude awakening, come grow along with me. Like our life roots running free, this is where you're meant to be. From shelf to shelf, the roots are making magic here on Joe's Rude Awakening. So grab your pot, your plants, your fun. This green journey's just begun.